let's talk about the derivatives of inverse trig function, okay? So all this thing came from the definition of the derivative, okay? I'm talking about limit definition, okay? But like, in this class, we are not going to show you how we can derive this one, but unfortunately, you have to memorize all these threes, okay? So look at the first one. Arc sine x prime is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And arc cosine x prime is exactly opposite with arc sine prime, which is negative, right? And arc tangent prime is 1 over 1 plus x squared, okay? Again, like all this thing came from the definition. We can derive all this thing by the definition of the derivative, okay? So like now, like for this class, we're gonna practice how we can use it, okay? Look at the first problem. It is concerned with arc cosine, but it is outside function, but keep that in mind, there is inside function. I'm talking about the trainer, okay? So what is f prime? Here we go. F prime of x, or in a Leibniz form, we can write df over dx, right? Is equal to outside function, which is arc cosine, right? Arc cosine prime is minus 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared, but x is inside the function. You know why I just posted it, right? Then keep that in mind. There is inside function, which is second layer function, which is 2x minus 1. Once you write this one, you have to multiply the inside function prime, which is 2, right? So this is the answer, okay? So like if you want me to rewrite this one, it can be written by negative 2 over square root of 1 minus, well, for here, you don't have to simplify this, okay? Just leave like this one. This is the answer, okay? Let's practice more, okay? Look at the next problem. Tangent inverse is outside function and arc sine is inside function. You have to keep that in mind. You have to do the trainer, okay? Here we go. F prime of x or df dx. Either way, but like you have to get familiar with this notation, okay? And arc tangent prime is 1 over 1 plus inside function squared, right? Then, okay, again, like tangent inverse or arc tangent, they are same thing, okay? And then what about inside function? It is arc sine x. Once you write this inside function, you have to multiply the inside function prime, which is 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared, okay? So, where if you want me to rewrite this one, it can be written by 1 over parentheses 1 plus arc sine x squared times square root of 1 minus x squared. That's it, okay? What about next problem? This problem is also chain root, okay? Okay? Outside function is just power function, which is squared, and inside function is tangent inverse x, okay? Which means 2-layer chain root problem, okay? Here we go. So f prime x or df dx is equal to power, right? 2 and to the 1. 1 is invisible, right? Then we will write your inside function, which is arc tangent. Then you have to multiply inside function prime. That's it, okay? So if you want me to rewrite this guy, it can be written by 2 tangent inverse x over 1 plus x squared.